Hello everyone, welcome back to Joe Microsphere. In today's video, I'm coming to show you how you can correct an unknown coordinate system. Sometimes when you are dealing with a map, you need to get the actual coordinate system of the place before you can do any analysis with it. So in today's video, I will show you how you can change your coordinate system to your local coordinate system. Mostly all the coordinate systems are in global coordinate system, that's the WGS 1984. But before you can work on your data or perform some analysis, you need to convert it to your local coordinate system. Like Nigeria, like Osun State has a coordinate system of WGS 1984 zone 31, and then Ghana too has zone 30. So you need to do all these coordinates then before you can run any analysis on it. And then we have two layers that we are going to change the coordinates. Then we are going to check the coordinate system for what we are going to do. So first of all is our layer. So I have this shapefile here which we are going to check for the coordinate system and then change it. And then also the actual map here. Sometimes when you are working, especially when you are doing a fishnet, you need to check for the coordinate system of the layer that you are using. If the coordinate system does not fall within your area, you are going to get inaccurate, or you are going to get error when you run it. So first of all, let's check the coordinate system of our study area here. So we right click on it and then go to properties. So on properties, you can see we have general, metadata, source, and then the other. So you go to the source here and then you go to spatial extent. So when you look at the spatial extent, you can see we have the geographic coordinate system WGS 1984 here, and then we have the other. So we are going to change this WGS 1984 to projected coordinate system. That is going to be our WGS 1984 zone. So the zone will be at where you are located here. So this one we have the WGS, we are going to change it, and then let's check the actual map here. So you go to properties, then you see coordinate system here. So the coordinate system too, we have WGS 1984, which we are going to change that one too. So first of all, what you need to do is you go to your view here, and then you locate your geoprocessing tool. So inside of geoprocessing tool, you are going to see a lot of layers here. So what you are going to choose is your data management tool here. So you click on data management tool, then you scroll down till you see projection and transformation. So this is projection and transformation. So if you click on projection and transformation, you are going to see two layers that we can use to convert our coordinate system from the global to our local area. So here we have define projection, and then we have project. So here we are going to project our map from if your map does not have any coordinate system, you define coordinate system for it. But since our map have a coordinate system, we are going to project it. So we are projecting it from global to our local area here. So you click on project here, and then you are going to see we have input data set, output data set, and then we have output coordinate system, and then the geographic transformation, and then preserve shape. So first of all is input data. So we are going to input our study area boundary there, that is our Osun clip. So here we are going to input our future here, and then here is where we want to save it. So I'm leaving this one as a default here, and then this is our output coordinate system. So here's where we are going to change the coordinate system to our local coordinate system. So you click on this button here, and then you go to projected coordinate system here. So inside your projected coordinate system, you will see UTM, that's the United Transverse Marketer here. You click on it, and then you scroll down till you see WGS 1984. So you click on WGS 1984, and then here it depends on where you are located. If you are located on the northern hemisphere, you choose northern hemisphere. If you are located in the southern hemisphere, you choose southern hemisphere. But where I'm working now, I'm located in the northern hemisphere, so I will select the northern hemisphere here, and then I will scroll down till I see my coordinate system. So here Osun State is located on WGS 1984 UTM zone 31 here. So I will select it here, and then I'll click on OK. Alright, so now I have my coordinate system. We have the geographic extent, which the method that can be used to convert data between two geographic coordinate systems. So here we are going to leave it default here, and then we have preserve shape too. We are going to leave it default because it specifies whether the extra vertices will be added to the output line or the polygon. So we are leaving this one default, and then we are going to run our data. So after running, we are going to see the result that we are going to get. So this is the Osun clip here. So here we have the clip here, we are going to right click on it, go to our properties here, and then check for our coordinate system here. So source, and then go to spatial extent here. So now you can see our data has been projected from the WGS 1984 to the UTM zone 31 here. So let's project the other one. So here we have the map. You right click on the map and then go to property. So inside your property you can see WGS 1984 has been selected here, but since we don't want the WGS 1984, we are going to do same as we did for our study area. So you go to your UTM, inside your UTM go to WGS 1984 Northern Hemisphere, depends on where you are located. Then you scroll down till you see your coordinate, and then you click on apply, and then you click on OK. So now we have projected our coordinate system. So here, any analysis that you are going to do based on your study area, it will not extend from your study area. So this is the simplest way that you can use to define coordinate system or project your data. If your data already has the coordinate system, you project it. If it doesn't have, then you define coordinate system for it. So thank you very much for your attention, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.